Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Like how champagne is to France, we have to see that FENI is to Goa. Though Caju came from Brazil to Goa, but only we Goans have the GI tag for it because we know the technique to how to make the FENI. Brazil doesn't know, and a lot of South American countries are interested in knowing the technique from us. So we have to take advantage of this and see that hopefully the excise department will help in putting FENI in the duty-free shops and helping us with the excise clearances so that FENI gets marketed in a big way. Because the Caju, this beautiful fruit, that it's not only about the nut, it is the whole fruit, where the nutritional qualities, the health qualities of this fruit are should be advertised to each and every one internationally, and that's going to happen. And this is the whole motive of having this first ever Caju festival. The main highlight of this festival will be our Caju fruit and how the FENI industry is going to promote it, how the food and beverage industry is going to promote it, because the main objective is it gives, if we promote, if all of us collectively highlight this industry, which needs to be highlighted, our farmers, the rural economy is going to go up, because GFDC has cultivations, 9,000 hectares of land. We employ almost 60,000 women and self-help groups in our cultivations. So you can imagine the number of women that are getting employed, and our industry, our corporation is helping so many women get employment.
विश्वजीत राणे म्हणटा GFDC सध्या बरे काम करता, फुडे इको टुरिझमात ती बरे काम करपाक शकता म्हूण विश्वजीत उलयला.
We also undertaking several other activities like ecotourism and all within the restricted and forest areas, which the forest corporation only can do it because it's directly under the forest department. So as to create that type of awareness, create that type of buzz that is required for the Caju. All of us have been hearing about Caju and Caju FENI and all for several years, but I don't think anybody ever moved on this in this line to have a Caju festival, and I'm sure it will be a great success.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.